Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Veena.
Hello, Sheila.
Yes, hi.
Yeah, this is Sheila Deshpande.
This is Veena Manohar.
Yes. And together,
Yes.
we have begun this new channel.
Yes.
This is basically to encourage everyone to grow orchids.
Yes.
Yeah.
How to grow on.
Yes.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
And my introduction to an orchid was in 2003 or 4 when my husband went to Bangkok for the first time.
Yes.
And he came back at night and he got this this Dendrobium ersacul, the Dendrobium flowers that you see at the weddings.
Yeah.
So he got one of those. I mean, he kept them on the dining table at night, one flower with one leaf, tied together, and he went to sleep. And I woke up in the morning and I saw it and I was so taken by it. My God, I just love the flower. It was so beautiful, so exotic. No one that I knew had grown that flower, and I remember saying, I really love this thing. And then he woke up and I said, wow, what a beautiful flower. He said, I got it for you, especially. And then I realized later on it was complimentary. Anyway, but
That was a compliment for you, from him.
I don't know what it was, but it got me going on the whole, path of orchids.
Yeah.
It got me loving orchids.
Mm.
Yeah. And I remember then.
Yes. We went for one exhibition, I think.
Yes, because we were trying to find them and try to find a place
was
where
not
we could
easy
buy
to
them.
find, yeah.
I wanted to buy one. I wanted to grow it in my garden. I had a decent garden,
Yes,
just like
yes,
you.
yes,
did.
yes,
Yeah?
yes.
Yeah, we had the hibiscus
She had
and we had
beautiful garden
jasmine,
too.
we had roses, and all the normal suspects.
Yeah.
But no orchids
Yes.
and nowhere to buy them.
Yes.
Yeah.
No one in our family, I think, it's grown, but she, first of all, she started. When we went to exhibition,
Yes.
at that time we saw one corner there was a orchids.
Yeah, they were selling
Then we
orchids.
were just wow.
Yeah, we were just so taken by
So
them.
what we want, we got
Yeah,
now.
staring at us in our face.
Yeah. So then she bought it.
Yeah, it
Yes,
took
and
some
then-
time
yes.
because it was 500 rupees. In those days, that was a lot of money.
Yeah.
Remember, we
yes,
went
Yes.
doing it.
And that
for-
time I thought it's not my job. I will not do this because it's very difficult to grow and it's a lot of money for me. So I thought, okay, I will not do this.
Oh, it was a lot of money.
No, but at least you did daring to.
Oh, I dared to do it.
Yes.
I
But
have.
I thought, okay, let her grow.
Yeah.
If she's successful, then I will.
So now
jump
you
in.
know who's the better investor.
Yes, I am. But not this. Always not like that. I'm very impulsive buyer. But this time I thought, okay,
Yeah.
because I was not having the confidence to
That's
grow
right.
this.
Yeah. So I did buy it, and I went online. As I bought it, and then I thought, okay, how do I look after this? Because when I looked in the pot, there was nothing but moss and charcoal and pieces of terracotta, and I had never seen a mixture like that before in a pot. And I said, how am I going to do this?
Yes, and I was wondered how it will grow.
Yeah.
It will give flower even without a soil.
We
How it possible?
No, forget about flowering. We were in like this situation where is this gonna live?
Yeah.
And so I went online, but the internet was very slow in those days, and we also didn't know how to use the power of the internet. So
yes,
somehow I got it in my mind that watering is equal to humidity, and now
but
we
that
know
time you
that's wrong.
successful?
No, I
grow that?
wasn't. I watered it to death,
Yes.
honestly, and it was.
So
a
that's
big
why
mistake.
I did not buy that.
Yeah, you were smart. You were smart. So, but of course,
But later
after
on,
he
I
died,
think,
it was like a challenge to me, and I said,
Yeah.
no, I have to fix this.
Yeah.
But
Then
then,
we went,
we went our ways for 10 years after that,
Yeah.
and now that we're back 2 years ago, I decided that I'm going to grow orchids, and
Yes.
I
And this time I was
created
confident.
a space where I can. And a year ago, again, the problem was where do I buy the orchids?
Yes.
And yes, now it's much easier.
Yes.
And we will inform you of the ways of doing that
Yes,
in the next videos.
Yes.
But this video is basically to encourage you to buy.
encourage you to buy and tell our story.
Yeah.
Like how we are skeptical about things to do, like new things. But we are successful now.
Yes.
From 1 year we are growing this,
Yes,
and we
yeah.
are really happy to see all these flowers. See, these are the beautiful flowers.
They
She
are
has
blooming.
grown.
They
This
are
is Veena's
blooming.
garden. It's beautiful garden.
Tell you everything.
Yes, everything. will tell
If you dare to buy an orchid,
Yes.
we are there to support.
Yeah.
Just follow
And
us.
I think you should dare this.
You can
because
do that.
dare is the like adventure.
It is an adventure.
Yeah,
It's
it is
true.
adventure.
Yeah, well said.
Yeah, it's not roller coaster. It's a very slow process, but still we should do this, and you will definitely enjoy. That is our experience.
Yes, it's our
Yes.
experience. It's been very positive.
Yeah.
It has taught us patience. It
Yes,
has taught us
yes,
about
yes.
atmosphere, about
Yeah,
climate,
yes.
about humidity,
Yes.
about fertilizers, about potassium, nitrogen. All these
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
things that we were just so happily living without knowing.
Yeah.
But now we need to.
Yeah, and we are in Pune, so our this atmosphere is not
Yeah, the
favorable so much.
climate- Yeah, it's
But-
not like Kerala
Yeah, but-
and Bengal where you have good humidity.
Yeah, but
But,
somehow
uh,
you created that.
You can do it.
Yes.
you can.
She did so
If you
successfully.
live in places like, let's say, Ahmedabad or Jaipur or Gurgaon,
Madhya Pradesh.
or Madhya Pradesh, anywhere in
Yeah,
Madhya
anywhere,
Pradesh,
yes.
if you live in
Maharashtra
Hyderabad,
interior, yeah, Hyderabad,
if you're
yeah.
living in Aurangabad, also,
Yeah. You can definitely,
you
yes.
can grow them. You will need different
Yes.
kind of potting
Yeah.
mixes in your
Yeah.
pot, but it can be done. And
Yeah.
we really want you to
Yeah.
want to tell you that there's great satisfaction.
Yes. And you feel this is a special guest in our house, in
Yeah.
our garden,
Yeah.
and which it takes lot of attention.
Yes, but it is also center stage.
Center
When
stage, yes,
your
yeah,
guests
yes, yes.
arrive and they
Yeah.
see an orchid blooming,
Yes.
you are like in seventh heaven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feel proud about
Yes,
that
you
moment.
forget
Like
about
everyone
it.
comes and just appreciate your hard work. Actually,
Yeah. It's worth it.
Yeah, it's
Believe
worth
me.
it. It's
Yeah.
worth it. Everyone should.
So
Think
we
about
encourage
it.
you to do this.
Yes.
Follow us. Ask
Yes.
us questions.
Yes.
We are not experts. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
just done this for
Yes,
1 year.
yes, yes,
And
yes. Yeah.
we do know a little bit,
Yeah.
and we are ready to share it.
Yes.
And as we learn more, we will
We'll
share
share
that
you
as
more.
well.
Yeah.
So on this very positive note, I think we
Yes,
should stop
yes,
this
sure.
video.
Yes, yes, yes,
All
yes.
right, then see you again,
See you
everybody.
again. Yes. Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care. Yes. See you. Subscribe our channel.
Oh,
And
yeah.
Share to
Like and
your
share.
friends. Yes. Thank